Right now, we're at the edge of an incredible investment opportunity that could change your financial future. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are more than just digital money. They're a cutting-edge technology that's reshaping the world of finance. Just like the internet and smartphones transformed industries and created massive wealth for early investors, cryptocurrencies are set to do the same. The potential gains are huge, but the window to get in early won't last forever. Don't miss out on this chance to be part of the next big financial revolution. Life-changing investment opportunities may only come along once in a lifetime. What if you knew how important the internet would become in the 1990s, or how the iPhone would change everything in 2007? These were game-changing moments that created huge opportunities for people who invested early. Now we're standing at the edge of another big change that could be even bigger. Big technology changes usually follow a pattern. First, there's a new idea or invention. Then, a few brave people try it out. These are the early adopters. Finally, if it's really useful, more and more people start using it, and it becomes part of everyday life. When people invest during that early stage, they can make a lot of money as the technology grows. This happened with the internet and smartphones, and now it's happening with something new: Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Let's talk about Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency. It started in 2009 and has grown a lot since then. Over the past 10 years, its value has gone up an amazing 5,000% each year on average, an incredible 500x. Just since 2020, the price of Bitcoin has gone up more than 27 times. Why? Because more people are starting to see it as valuable, and big companies and even governments are getting interested in it too. At first, many big banks and financial experts didn't like cryptocurrencies. They thought it was risky and unpredictable. But things are changing. Now, some of the biggest companies in the world are starting to use or invest in cryptocurrencies. Right now, we're still in the early adoption phase for cryptocurrencies. This means it's growing quickly, and there's still time to get involved before it becomes something everyone uses. This stage is where the biggest opportunities are for investors. Companies like Tesla, Apple, and PayPal have started accepting or investing in cryptocurrencies. This shows that cryptocurrencies are becoming more accepted and could be a big part of the future of money. Security is super important when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Use trusted websites or apps to buy and sell. Turn on extra security features like two-factor authentication. Use a cold wallet, which is a secure way to store your cryptocurrencies offline. And always keep the keys to your wallet safe and secure from scammers and thieves. Online scams are a real problem, and you must know how to protect yourself and your investments from these scammers. Before jumping into investing, it's important to learn as much as you can. There are lots of resources out there, videos, articles, and websites that can help you understand how cryptocurrencies work and how to invest wisely. It's important to learn from those who have done it and can teach you the ins and outs of investing in Bitcoin. But understand that people who invested in Bitcoin early on have made a lot of money. Even small investments have turned into big profits over time. These stories show the huge potential of cryptocurrencies. If you're thinking about getting started with cryptocurrencies, remember, take your time to learn and be careful and plan your moves. The best resource we know of to get started with Bitcoin investing is our link down in the description. If you are a beginner or a seasoned investor, this is your next step to becoming a safe and profitable Bitcoiner. Follow the link for this free training session and see if crypto investing is right for you. This is a rare chance to be part of a financial revolution. Take the time to learn, make smart decisions, and you could be on your way to a bright financial future. Follow the link below.